So I'll be showing you how to see Instagram Reels that you've liked. So if you've liked an Instagram Reel or a couple of Instagram Reels, to find them, just tap on your profile. That's going to take you to your Instagram profile page. And on your profile page, tap on the three-line button in the top right, and that should open settings and activity. Under that, you want to go ahead and tap on your activity. And that's going to show you all your activity. And then there you can find likes. You can tap on that and then see all your likes. So this is going to show all the posts you've liked on Instagram, including Instagram Reels. So maybe from the thumbnail, you can be able to just go and find specific Reels and play them. Okay. Then you can go back and find other Reels. So these are all the Reels you have liked, including other normal posts. Now, unfortunately, there's no way of separating different kind of posts. All your likes are just going to be here, and you just have to kind of find the reel you're looking for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.